Hello everyone. This is a song I've been singing a long time ago now. Now my memory of it was not quite the same as the ones I've found on the net. So what I've done is I've compiled it together and put what I remember and what was on the net. And this is Philomeuri Uriye, or Working on the Railway. In 1841, me corduroy breeches I put on, corduroy breeches I put on, to work upon the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1842, I moved from Hartlepool to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1843, 'twas then I met sweet Biddy McGee, an elegant wife she's been to me, working on the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1844 I landed on the Liverpool shore. My belly was empty and head was sore from working on the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1845 I found myself more dead than alive, found myself more dead than alive, working on the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1846 I changed my trade from carrying bricks, changed my trade from carrying bricks to work upon the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. In 1847 Biddy died and went to heaven. If she left one kid, she left 11 to work upon the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway. Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, Philomeuri Uriye, working on the railway.